Ever felt like you're juggling a million tasks, and your brain's just throwing up its hands in surrender? You've tried the sticky notes, the endless to-do lists, maybe even a spreadsheet that looks like a cryptic alien code. But still, the chaos reigns. You've probably heard of Trello, the visual task management tool that's become a staple for teams and individuals alike. But what if, for whatever reason, Trello isn't clicking for you? Maybe you're already deeply embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem, or perhaps you're just looking for something a little different. So, the burning question is, does Microsoft have an alternative to Trello? Let's be honest, the world of project management tools can be a bit of a maze. You're bombarded with features, pricing plans, and jargon that can leave you feeling more confused than when you started. But stick with me because we're going to cut through the noise and get straight to the point. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why Trello is so popular in the first place. It's built on the Kanban system, which is all about visualizing your workflow. Imagine a whiteboard with columns like to do, doing, and done. You write your tasks on cards and move them across the columns as you progress. It's simple, intuitive, and visually appealing. Trello takes this concept and puts it online, adding features like attachments, checklists, and collaboration tools. So, what are we looking for in a Microsoft alternative? Ideally, we want something that offers visual task management, the ability to see our tasks in a clear, organized way, collaboration features, the ability to work with others on projects, integration with the Microsoft ecosystem, seamlessly connecting with other Microsoft apps, flexibility and customization, the ability to tailor the tool to our specific needs. With that in mind, let's explore the options. The most prominent contender is undoubtedly Microsoft Planner. Microsoft Planner is a task management tool that's part of the Microsoft 365 suite. It's designed to help teams organize and track their work using a visual, Kanban-style interface. Sound familiar? That's because it's essentially Microsoft's answer to Trello. Here's a breakdown of what Planner offers. Boards and buckets. Planner uses boards to represent projects and buckets to categorize tasks. Just like Trello's lists, buckets help you organize tasks into logical groups. Cards and assignments. Tasks are represented by cards, which can be assigned to team members, given due dates, and include attachments and checklists. Charts and schedules. Planner provides visual charts that show the progress of your project, including the status of tasks and the workload of team members. The schedule view gives you a calendar view of upcoming tasks. Integration with Microsoft Teams. Planner is deeply integrated with Microsoft Teams, allowing you to access and manage your plans directly within your team channels. Integration with Microsoft To Do. Tasks assigned to you in Planner also appear in Microsoft To Do, giving you a centralized view of your personal and team tasks. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How does Planner compare to Trello? Integration. Planner's strength lies in its tight integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. If you're already using Microsoft 365, Planner integrates seamlessly with other apps like Teams, Outlook, and To Do. Trello, on the other hand, offers integrations with a wider range of third-party apps. User interface. Both Planner and Trello offer a user-friendly, visual interface. Trello is often praised for its simplicity and ease of use, while Planner's interface can feel a bit more complex at times, especially for those new to the Microsoft ecosystem. Features. Both tools offer similar core features, such as task assignment, due dates, and attachments. However, Trello offers more advanced features like Power UPS, which allow you to customize your boards with additional functionality. Pricing. Planner is included with most Microsoft 365 subscriptions, making it a cost-effective option for organizations already using Microsoft products. Trello offers a free plan with limited features, as well as paid plans with more advanced functionality. So, if you're looking for a Trello alternative that integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft ecosystem, Planner is a strong contender. But Microsoft's offerings don't stop there. Let's talk about another option, Microsoft Lists. While not a direct Trello competitor, Lists offers a flexible way to track information and organize tasks. Think of it as a supercharged spreadsheet that's designed for collaboration. Here's what Lists brings to the table. Customizable lists. You can create lists for virtually anything, from tracking project tasks to managing inventory. Views and formatting. Lists offers various views, including grid, calendar, and gallery views, allowing you to visualize your data in different ways. You can also format your lists with colors, icons, and conditional formatting. Rules and automation. Lists allows you to create rules to automate tasks, such as sending notifications when a task is assigned or changing the status of a task when it's completed. Integration with Microsoft Teams. Like Planner, Lists is integrated with Microsoft Teams, allowing you to create and manage lists directly within your team channels. Templates. Microsoft provides a wide range of templates to help you get started quickly, including templates for project management, event planning, and issue tracking. Lists is more versatile than Planner or Trello. It's not limited to task management. It can be used to track any type of information. However, it may require more setup and customization than Planner or Trello. And then we have Microsoft To Do. While not a direct project management tool in the vein of Trello, it serves as a powerful personal task management application that integrates with other Microsoft products. Personal task management. To Do is designed to help you manage your personal tasks and to-do lists. Integration with Outlook and Planner. Tasks from Outlook and Planner can be synced with To Do, giving you a centralized view of your tasks. Lists and groups. You can create lists and groups to organize your tasks into different categories. Due dates and reminders. You can set due dates and reminders for your tasks. My Day. The My Day feature helps you focus on your most important tasks for the day. To Do is great for personal task management and can be used in conjunction with Planner or Lists for team collaboration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.